A particle is projected with the initial velocity v, capital V, at a point O, making an angle 30 degree with the vertical. Okay, the angle made with the vertical is equal to 30 degree. At the same instant, a second particle is thrown vertically upwards with a speed v, small v, from a point A. The two particles reach height h, the highest point on the parabolic path of the particle, simultaneously. So what is the ratio of v by v? Now look here. If I draw the graph again, the vertical velocity is given as v, which makes an angle 30 degree. So the velocity of the velocity of the projectile part is equal to v cos 30. Okay, in this case it is cos 30 because the angle is made with the vertical and not with the horizontal. Another body is projected from this point and both of them meet at a highest point. Okay, both of them meet at a highest point. Let us say their height is h. Okay, so whatever is the highest height, okay, whatever is the height reached, okay, at the highest point, and the velocity over here is v. So we have to calculate the ratio of capital V is to small v. Now it is a very simple question. If both of them reach simultaneously, so both of them take the same time to reach the maximum height h. Now over here I will take the vertical components of both the particles. For the first particle, let me take for this v is equal to u plus at. At the highest point, the velocity is 0. So the final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is equal to v cos 30 minus gt. Okay. So over here, let me take for the second particle. Similarly, second particle also has the velocity v is 0 at the highest point. Okay. So at the highest point, the velocity is 0. Initial velocity is v minus gt. Okay. The first one is capital V and the second one is the small v. Okay. So if I take the ratio, if I take this on the left hand side, v cos 30 is equal to gt and v is equal to gt. So when I take the ratio, capital V divided by small v cos theta cos 30 is equal to 1. Okay. So over here, capital V divided by small v is equal to 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So capital V by small v is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, it is equal to 2 by root 3. So the option number is C.